going on, guys? YCG here, back with another video. And in today's video, we're gonna be going to see Mad Maxy up here in Portland. He's doing a bike meet at the Cycle Gear, so I am pretty excited about that. I got two of my homies behind me. One is on a Drifter 1000, I'm on my 750, and then another one is on a GSX-F 600. So, and he is a newer rider, so I don't know how much I'm gonna talk to ride up there, just because I don't know really what's gonna be going on. Stretch my feet. So I don't really know what's gonna be going on or anything like that. So we're just gonna have to kind of just see what happens.
Make our own spot like that.
What's your ankle? I was slapping you.